the monkey.
Wow, this is hectic. Monkey
Game is
madness.
Oh, monkey. My monkey's getting into business.
This is crazy.
Oh my god, this looks insane.
It's like paddles everywhere.
Oh.
Oh, monkey.
Oh, they're after the Monkey King.
My Brontosaurus is dead now.
Just taking my hat off.
Do I have anything left? Yeah, I've got like nothing left.
The Velonosaur in the center is doing a great job
What?
at nailing the Monkey King.
Yeah, that thing on turret mode is annoying.
We're going one-on-one with Utrecht.
Oh, Utrid in the... Oh man.
It's just before it starts, but no.
Oh, yo. Oh, these guys.
They're yours.
Oh, they're
That
mine?
you didn't
Nah.
claim. You didn't claim
Oh,
it.
shit.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. What's up, boys? Welcome to the fight.
Yeah, get in there, charge!
Go!
All my Dinopithecus are dying, they're dumb.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Oh, this is dead. All mine are bunching, so that's actually really good.
Oh, come back in.
Fuck, this battle's going all over the show. This is intense.
These things are fast as. I'm sorry, the Bigfoot's not grown.
Has anyone died yet?
No. One of my animals have died, but no, like 5 of them have. I've only got like 3, 4 Dinopithecus left. Yeah, go monkey. Dinopithecus has died. Kill everyone's things. Turret mode was definitely the play. If you take out all the Velosaurs, this is going to be the play. It would help so much. Kill him.
I love seeing all the 1v1s and then like another monkey comes
I killed Utrecht, let's go!
My monkey. Come back, monkey. Go, everyone. All my monkeys are dumb. Punch him. Monkey battle. 3 and 2 and whatever. This is fun as.
Above. Ah.
He's getting you from right behind you.
Jump into that. Oh.
Oh, you died.
Nailed with some poop.
Let's go.
Yeah, Scotty's going
Put the
in.
monkey. Like 3.
Oh, he's down. And he said he
Yeah,
wasn't gonna
me-
lose.
I still have sleeping bag.
Oh, all your gear's still there.
Like 3 of my monkeys are just in a fight with me. We're destroying them.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, as soon as I calm down, they just targeted on me.
Holy
Dude,
shit, you're
my
getting
freaking
rammed.
Velo, my Velo got set off turret mode and jumped off the wall.
Yeah, mom.
Oh, shit, fell out.
And my freaking horse jumped off as well. Like,
Why is everyone chasing cold? This is funny as. Lucky I brought berries to heal.
Far out. This battlefield had trees.
Had bushes. Now it doesn't.
I said,
You up in my monkey friends. Gang up on one another and bash them. I've only got like 3 monkeys left.
Oh, someone's trying to knock the Monkey King out. That's a great strategy.
Got like 1 monkey left. No, 2. We gotta help my brother.
Has anybody killed another player yet?
No.
Okay, man, it's got to kill Uhtred.
Oh, nice. There goes
I beat him in
first
that
blood. First blood prize goes to Scotty.
And there's one that oh, some purple monkey person's dead. The battery.
Ah, keep falling off. Come back up.
I've got like 2 monkeys left.
I have like 1, I think.
These monkeys are
yours-
durable, man.
Yeah. Pretty entertaining. King
No.
Who's got all the monkeys, my guy? Is it just arthritis just has all these monkeys sitting in the corner fighting?
Dang it.
Huh? I'm sorry. Are you gonna fight, my guy?
No. Bye-bye. I juked him. Well, I broke his ankles.
I'm just fighting everyone. Oh, hi, Aunt.
I've been trying to see
Oh,
if
the
I'm still
Monkey
in the
King's
game.
about to go down.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, his mount is down. Oh. He's getting fucked up.
What's happening right now?
Oh, no.
Heading in the event.
Oh.
And he's down.
Yeah, this is stuffing me up because of all the berries.
So do we get to keep this stuff or what? Because I have something to go do really quickly. Well, watch. I guess.
Oh no, my last monkey.
I mean, it's the last team standing, so whoever's the
I
last
got
one
one
standing.
more monkey.
Make sure you collect the stuff off
Water.
Kai's body or his mount.
I won't.
No, you do. You want to. Like, that's where the trophy is.
Someone's already
Ooh,
taken.
it'll be on someone's monkey. You're gonna have to kill their monkey.
I'm just gonna check everyone's monkey then. My monkey left me. He didn't love me.
So Sam, if we do more events like this, call me out, bro. I'd be down to help. This is fun.
Yeah, this is fun. I know my
I mean,
monkey.
yeah, actual arena though.
What happened to everyone's monkey?
They're all dead.
Still fighting.
One left in that. But I feel like I watched one go out of the castle and something, and I didn't see him dead.
Is it the the journeyman helmet thing?
Gamma. Gigantopithecus trophy.
Do I come down and still fight, or am I done?
No, you're done.
keep going with him.
My Unsullied will still fight for
Yeah.
me.